can I get breakfast at Efteling is one of the top questions we receive from viewers. Hi, my name is Joost from Dutch Themepark Network and I will tell you all about entering early at Efteling. Let's dive in. Before you can have breakfast, you have to enter the park. That makes that we start at the parking lot. Please check the opening time of the Efteling on the website for the day of your visit. The Efteling opens most of the days at 10 a.m, but sometimes in winter at 11 a.m. The parking lot of Efteling opens 2 hours prior to openings time. Most of the days 8 a.m. You can come over and park your car up front, really near the entrance. When you come after 10 a.m, the Efteling starts filling up parking lot 2, and that is a little bit of walking. When you've parked your car, there's nothing to do until 9 a.m, 1 hour prior to openings time. At that moment, there is a small opening ceremony at the front gate, together with Pardoes. A child is allowed to open the Efteling with a magical key. Afterwards, there is an exclusive photo opportunity with Pardoes. It gives you really great photos and a great way to meet Pardoes for yourself when it's not that crowded. At 9 a.m. the gates of the park open. Efteling, the souvenir shop, is already open. You can also wander around at the Pardoes promenade, but Pollen's Kitchen and Symbolica will be closed. The waiting queue of Symbolica opens at 9:30, but the attraction will not run before openings time, most of the days 10 a.m. What you can visit in this time is FAA Restaurant. Let's head over. We are at FAA Restaurant, the place to be for your breakfast before opening time. Both sides of the restaurant are open. Let's start on the right side, the World Kitchen. They have several warm options, for example a good tuna melt. On the other side you have the Savannah Bar. Here we recommend the breakfast sandwich. This is a sandwich with egg, bacon, cheese and tomato. It costs only €4.75 and it's a really good breakfast option. Are you a little bit more of a sweet tooth? Then we recommend the banana coconut cake with chocolate, or the specialty drink that you can only get over here, just like the cake, the Choco Fabounan. This is hot chocolate that is made even more sweet with banana syrup. There are other services available as well. For example, a microwave that is free to use, toilets, and for the children, the playing area is already open at 9 a.m. You can sit indoor or outdoors. FAA Restaurant is the place to start your Efteling day. With a fresh cup of coffee, planning your day together with your friends. When you stay on site, you will have your own entrance. When you stay at Efteling Hotel, the gate is near Carnival Festival. Bosrijk and Loonseland guests will enter at the House of the Five Senses, but have their own gate on the side of the House of the Five Senses. You can enter the park 30 minutes early when you stay on site. Some of the signature attractions will be open exclusively for you. But be aware, all restaurants will be closed, so make sure you have breakfast before entering the park, or come over at Fabula, just like all the other day guests. Do you want to have breakfast after openings time? We strongly recommend Bakkerij Krummel. They have a wonderful selection of fresh sandwiches and pastries, fresh juices and of course fresh coffee and tea. For this breakfast we paid a little bit above 20 euros. That is everything you need to know about breakfast at Efteling. Do you have any questions? Let us know down in the comments and we might answer that one in an upcoming video. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do you like these videos? You might want to become a patron of our channel. Head over to patreon.com and select a tier with the benefits that suit you best. Or take a look in our webshop, dutchthemeparknetwork.com/shop. We hope to see you in another video. See ya!